done one of these videos for a while. It's a little walk around of a completed mini John Cooper Works, factory John Cooper Works, as opposed to dealership. Nanook white, so it's metallic white. Should be able to pick up on there, hopefully. New car protection details, so single stage of machine polishing primarily, post, decon, wash, etc, etc. 2 layers of Titan coatings on this. It's got PX10 dark matter, followed by Vulcan TX155, which will be both omniphobic and also have a degree of self-healing to it. Wheels have been removed, so the wheels have been removed, de-cleaned, fallout removed. They're coated with pyro dark matter, along with the brake calipers and exhaust tips. So obviously the tips are heat-resistant coating as well, so specifically designed for those. All the exposed plastic trim pieces are also coated. So these have got dual layers of Titan Flexilis on. All the glass has been coated. So the glass has got Titan Hyperglass on, including the panoramic roof, or the glass roof, we should say. Don't think it's a pano, but there's quite a lot of it. Everything subsequently Titan Ultra V4, which is the maintenance product. Good to go. So all the little plastic trim pieces on the front are all coated as well. Again, dual layers of Titan Flexilis. Second car for the same couple. Gentleman had a RS4 competition performance, also coated with the same combination. This is his wife's car, going exactly the same line. If you think I can be of any help with any detailing or PPF related inquiries, please don't hesitate to get in touch.